I'm going to show you how to simulate a rolling edit in LumaFusion. LumaFusion doesn't have a true rolling edit feature because a true rolling edit is where you can take the end trim point and the beginning trim point of two different clips and move them simultaneously back and forth. But what LumaFusion does have is it's got two editing modes. It has a insert mode and an override mode. Now currently it's in the insert mode, and that's what this little toggle switch does over here on the left. And if I tap on it, it changes to yellow and you'll see a little down arrow, and that indicates it's in the override mode now. So for the purposes of this rolling edit simulation, we're going to leave it in the override mode. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this clip in a couple of different places here. And now you can see I've got three different clips, and that center clip is about 5 seconds long. So just so you can see the transition between these three clips a little easier, I'm going to take and add some effects to that center clip. So let's do a psychedelic, and then we'll go over to frame and fit, and we'll shrink the picture a little bit. Okay, so now let's play through these three clips, and what I want you to notice is that there's uninterrupted audio and video.
We might have been meant for each other, to be or not.
See, that was nice and smooth. Now, here's where the rolling edit simulation comes in. If I take the handles on either side of this clip and I move them out, now instead of a 5-second clip in the center, I've got a 13-second clip. Now the question is, did I disturb the continuity of the video and the audio? So let's see. That looked and sounded good. Now let's go to the end of this clip. Once again, nice and smooth. So that's all there is to simulating a rolling edit. Now, as long as you're in the override mode, you can take the handles on any clip and slide them back and forth any direction you want. Now you see there I left a gap. So what I can do here is select that clip and drag it back over till it joins over here. And now let's give it a try.
Let's fall in love. Why shouldn't we fall in love? Now is the time for it. What?
So there you go. That's all there is to simulating a rolling edit in LumaFusion.